In this video, I will guide you on how to recover a Discord account without email. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser. Now you want to search for support.discord.com. Once you get over here, you want to sign into your account. If you haven't created a Discord support account, then you need to tap on the sign up option. Now enter your name, then enter your email address, and then create an account. Once you have created a Discord support account, enter your credentials and then sign into your account. Once you have been signed in, tap on the three-line menu at the top left. Now click on Submit a Request. Here, it's going to ask you, what can we help you with? You want to select the option of Help and Support. Now, on the next question, type of question, you want to select the option of Account Verification and Credentials. Then, in the option of what type of issue you are experiencing, you want to select Forgot Password. Now, in the subject, you want to enter forgot password as well. Then for the description, you want to describe your issue, that you forgot the password of Discord account and you no longer have access to its recovery email or phone number. Then tap on the submit option. Then Discord support will help you recover your Discord account without any email. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.